Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Western Union account online. So if you want to set it up, it's really easy. The very first thing you have to do that is visit the Western or download the application. So in this video I will show you through the website. You can follow same instruction on your phone, right? So first of all you have to just go to Google, right? So let's just go to Google here, and here in the Google we have to search for Western Union, right? You will get this website, and the first website will be this one. Now you can just go here. Now you will get this option whether you want to log in or register, right? So first of all, if you don't have any account, just go and click on register here, right? And in the register, again click on register. Here you need to enter your email address and password. So I will just enter it, and then you have to click on register. Now, once you have logged into your account, you will get this option to send money online. Now, you can send money online to wherever you want, right? And here, so for example, you can also do the cash pickup, bank account, mobile wallet, and there's a lot of option to do this. On the right side, you will get this option to, summary of exchange and everything, right? So to make an account, to create an account, it's really easy, which I shown you. You have to just go and click on register. If you have already registered, then let me just log out and let me go back to here Western Union. I will just go and click on login, and from here I can do this, right? And I can just enter my username and password, and that's it. So this is it, guys. Make sure you like this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.